how to turn off search history on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off search history on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to turn off search history on YouTube, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go and launch the YouTube application. Now remember that we're talking about actually turning off search history, not deleting search history. So next time YouTube simply won't track your search history at all. And in order to do this, tap the profile icon from here and then just go to settings, and then after that go to manage all history. Once you go to manage all history, it will open up your web pop-up in a new browser just like this, where you can see saving your YouTube history. You can tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can just select turn off over here, and YouTube won't be able to save your watch history as well as also your search history. That means that whatever you search from now will not be tracked by YouTube or Google, and it will not be recorded. So this way you can turn off search history on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.